Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to receive money on Revolut. Once you're inside the Revolut app, guys, there are a few ways how to go ahead and receive money. Simply click on the payment section on the lower part of your screen, and here you want to go ahead and click the plus on the uppermost right hand side. From here you want to scroll down, guys, and you will have the option that says create a payment link. You want to select that option, and from here you want to choose the option that says request money. Now click on that, and here you can go ahead and share the link with someone so that they can send the money to you. You can also choose the option that says request a specific amount, and here you can put whatever you want and just create a payment link. So once you create a payment link, you will copy the link and share with that person. If you have multiple currencies, you can also switch between currencies by changing the currency. Select whichever you want and create the link, and that's it. You share the link with them and you will be able to receive the amount requested with the payment link. As well, guys, if you have your contacts, you can go ahead and you can select a contact from your contact list. So you want to go ahead and select the contact, and from here you can choose between send or request. Go ahead and click on request. Put in the amount. Again, you can put in how much you want, and you can always change the currency as well. Create. Simple click and continue. You can go ahead and you can also add a note, whatever you want. It's really up to you, and you'll be able to create that payment link. Once that person receive it, they will go ahead and send you the money, and that's it. Very easy and very simple how to receive money on Revolut.